Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome to my channel, Mystical Ani. So, today we are going to do a yearly reading for Taurus for 2026. This is a general reading, guys. Please take what resonates with you and leave the rest. For more accurate and personal readings, you can reach out to me. In this reading, we will cover the overall energy for 2026, career, finances, health, relationships, and a guiding message at the end, right? So, please do stay till the end. For more accurate and personal readings, you can reach out to me. My email ID is given in the description of this video and also on my channel's info. So let's see. This is a general reading, so if you have come across this reading may definitely have some insights for you. So please take whatever connects with you. All right. So let's see what do the cards have for Taurus for 2026. Overall energy for Taurus for 2026. Wow, are you dealing with so much? See, the cards just fall off. Okay, 1 second. Okay, so the overall energy for Taurus for 2026. What's the overall energy we have for Taurus for 2026? I'll take this. Okay, all right. Now let's see what are the obstacles Taurus will have. Okay. Please clarify Two of Cups as the obstacles for Taurus. Please clarify Two of Cups as the obstacle. Wow, what is happening, dear? Alright, let's clarify. Please clarify Two of Cups as the obstacle for Taurus. Please clarify Two of Cups as the obstacle for Taurus. Please clarify Two of Cups as the obstacle for Taurus. Please clarify Two of Cups as the obstacles for Taurus. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. Let's see what's the guidance we have for you, Taurus, for 2026. Guidance for Taurus for 2026. Guidance for you, Taurus, for 2026. What's the guidance we have for Taurus for 2026? Second. Okay. We need one more as the clarifier. Please clarify the Emperor card as the guidance. Please clarify the Emperor card as the guidance for Taurus for 2026. Please clarify the Emperor. Okay, now let's see what's the probable outcome we have for Taurus for 2026. Probable outcome for Taurus for 2026. Please clarify Four of Pentacles as the probable outcome for Taurus. Please clarify Four of Pentacles as the probable outcome for Taurus. One more, please. Clarify to Four of Pentacles. Clarify to Four of Pentacles. That's the outcome. One more, please. So clarify to okay. Just a second. Yeah, I was just checking the angle. Cards are not clearly visible on the screen. Okay. So, for you, Taurus, the overall, I will see the bottom of the deck we have the 10 of Pentacles. Okay, so now for some of you, I see that you are looking for long-term stability. All right, when it comes to your relationship, you are looking for long-term stability, that that marriage. If you are looking for a partner, you are not married, you're single, or you're in a committed relationship, you are looking for that marriage connection. Okay, having kind of having a family, right? For some of you, I see that you are also planning for a long term financial stability. Okay, you may be planning to you know start something which will give you a long term financial security, or making some kind of investment which will give you a secured secured and fixed return kind of thing I'm getting for you. All right, so there is basically something which you are focusing on, the long term thing. All right, the bottom of the deck energy is basically your energies you are dealing with recently or lately, or subconsciously you are thinking of it, but you're not basically sharing it with others. All right, उस तरह की energy भी होती है. So that is what I'm getting for you here, Taurus. All right, so overall energy during the year is you have to be creative. All right, you have to focus on your creativity, you have to think outside the box. All right, so you have to upgrade your skills. For some of you, I think that you are planning, I see that you are planning to start something online, maybe something on social media, something working on your your singing thing. If you're interested in singing, for some of you, I see that is also what you're focusing on, to take it to the next level. All right, for some of you, I'm getting it strongly. For some of you, I see that if you are single, so somebody may reach out to you through social media. All right, a person, maybe a younger person of the family, is watching you from afar and now is planning to reach out to you. It can be through any social media platform, through message or anything, right? That is also I am getting here. When it comes to your health, when it comes to your health, you need to take care of it. All right, uh, basically, I'm seeing nothing much to worry about. Everything will be good, but don't stress too much. All right, just focus on your creativity. Also, at the same time, you need to take rest. Don't get into that restless energy. If things take little time, don't panic. All right, everything will happen at its time, but you don't give up on any situation. Just keep going and upgrade yourself. All right, that is also I'm getting for you during the year. So it's not that once you have upgraded yourself, you don't need to work on it. No, it's a constant work, right? So you need to keep learning, keep improving. All right, that is also I'm getting for you here. All right, as I said, finances mein everything will work out. You are planning for long term, so you need to think outside the box so that you can make the best use of your finances or your resources. All right, that is also I'm getting. Now the obstacles here for you, I see, you might face a little challenge in communicating or expressing your emotions, Taurus. I am getting that for you. Okay, maybe if somebody is reaching out to you through social media, even if you have emotions, you may somewhere not openly communicate to that person. Okay, you may feel that, or for some of you, it can also be the situation that you are feeling that loneliness of not having a partner, that soulmate kind of person or energy with you, and you might feel that lack of that emotional warmth, that connection, that love in your life. You might feel that. Okay, even if somebody is coming to you with that love offer, you need to work on your communication. You need to express your your feelings, your emotions to the person. So if you will keep your emotions to yourself, people not always understand your silence, right? So you need to sometimes express it. Okay, so that is what somewhere is the challenge I see. And for some of you, I see, if you were going through some kind of legal issues when it comes to your relationships in your marriage, so there is some kind of justice is coming out. Okay, maybe for some of you, I am also getting, because of the past issues or the past traumas, past experiences, you are closed off. Okay, आप अपने emotions को share नहीं कर रहे हो, and you are closed off कि I don't trust anyone, basically emotional level पे. Okay, so there, that is also the issue I am getting. So even if somebody is coming to you, you may आपने अपने guards को इतने high करके रखा है that even if the person is coming, you are like, I want that connection, but I am too guarded, I am too protective of myself, that I won't express. Okay, उस तरह की energy में, it's a mix and match kind of energy. थोड़ा सा confusing energy भी है, that you want the connection but you are too guarded. Okay, so you need to work on your communication, put your guards bit down and try to express, try to communicate, try to open up emotionally. Okay, that is also I am getting. Now, and when it comes to your workplace, you will get the emotional, work life mein everything is good, but aapko wo emotional connection, emotional, that support in your workplace, in your from your team, from your colleagues, you may somewhere miss that thing. Okay, you may feel that they are not understanding what I'm trying to say, they are not understanding what I'm going through. Okay, us tarah ki energy bhi dikh rahi hai. So as I said, work on your communication. Okay, just don't assume that the people will understand what you're going through. Okay, जहाँ पे भी ज़रूरत है you need to express it, so आप express करिए उस चीज़ को. Work on your emotions, take care of your emotional health. Okay, that is also I am getting for you. Health हो गया, work हो गया, relationship हो गया, health. Yeah, as I said, take care of your emotional health also. Okay, now the guidance here for you is, जो भी चैलेंज आ रहा है ना, you don't have to overcome, you don't have to give up. You will overcome that challenge with ease. You don't have to give up. I'm sorry. So whatever challenges are coming your way, you will be able to overcome that with a balancing energy. Okay, aggressively किसी चीज को वो मत करिए. देखिए यहाँ पर भी ना, I see that you might feel that there is lack of emotional support for you, but you have to change your perspective and focus on what is that it is trying to teach you. Is it trying to teach you to communicate? Is it trying to teach you to trust? Is it trying to teach you to focus on your lesson and not repeat your mistakes you have done before? Okay, whatever it is, just try to focus on your lesson and by creating balance. Maybe आप emotionally आप इतना ज़्यादा लो फील करो कि आप अपने काम पे, अपनी हेल्थ पे ध्यान ही नहीं दे पाओ. उस तरह की एनर्जी नहीं होना चाहिए. सो यू हैव टू क्रिएट बैलेंस. जो भी चैलेंज है आप उससे ओवरकम कर लोगे. फॉर सम ऑफ यू विल बी एबल टू क्रिएट अ बैलेंस एंड पीपल विल सी यू एज समवन हु इज हैविंग दैट clarity and the one who is somewhere who can take that lead. लोग आपको देखेंगे कि I want you to take the decision. Maybe in your family you will get that kind of कुछ ऐसा हो सकता है कि जहाँ पे आपको डिसीजन लेना है. People are waiting for you to decide so that things can move on or move ahead. Okay, so whatever you will say, people will listen to it. Kind of an influencing energy you will have, or you will have to take that lead. Okay, that you will have to create balance. You will have to see the things from different perspective, from everyone's perspective, from everyone's understanding, and then you have to come to a conclusion and decide. And that is what people will admire and appreciate for you, appreciate about you and admire you for that. Okay, because you are the one who will have to take that lead. Okay, so that other people can look at you, other people can listen to you, and then they can move accordingly. So that is what also I am getting for you. So just try to understand everything from every perspective. Don't take only emotions based decision. Don't take only practically सिर्फ मनी को ध्यान में रखते हुए कोई डिसीजन मत लो. आपको हर चीज को बैलेंस करते हुए डिसाइड करने की जरूरत है. दैट इज ऑल्सो आई एम गेटिंग. ओके, एज आई सेड, इमोशनल हेल्थ पे भी आपको ध्यान देना है. ऐसा नहीं है कि आप अपने काम पर इतना ज्यादा बिजी हो गए हो कि आप अपनी हेल्थ पे ध्यान नहीं दे रहे हो. सो you don't do that. Create a balance. Create balance and accordingly decide. Don't let that energy of you have to बोलते ना, वो शिव शक्ति एनर्जी को आपको बैलेंस करते हुए चल रहा है. राइट, सो उस तरह की एनर्जी है. मैस्कुलिन एनर्जी एंड फेमिनिन एनर्जी दोनों को बैलेंस करते हुए चल रहा है. फेमिनिन एनर्जी इज बेसिकली फॉर द इमोशनल साइड होता है, और मैस्कुलिन एनर्जी इज द एक्शन लेने वाला साइड होता है. राइट, सो यू हैव टू create a balance between the two and then accordingly take the next move or decide anything. All right, that is also I'm getting for you, Taurus. Now the outcome here is whatever situation it is. Okay, जो भी situation है उसमें आपको ना थोड़ा सा, as I said, you will be you will be someone who will be given that position to lead or to decide accordingly, or then the people will follow, or the situation or the next things will follow. At the same time, something, something might feel you कि you will, something might stop you maybe कि यार ये करना चाहिए या नहीं, इसका I don't know what will be the outcome. थोड़ा सा और रुक जाते हैं, let's analyze a bit more, उसके बाद में we'll take the next step. So there is this energy of holding on to things. Okay, it can be in relationship, you are holding on your emotions, you are not releasing it, because of which you are not able to open up. For your finances, you are not sure that I should invest or I should not invest, and you are kind of not grabbing that opportunity coming your way, because you're kind of taking too much of time, you're holding on too much. Okay, you are in that indecisive energy, not able to decide clearly, overthinking. Okay, so you have to you have to protect yourself from getting into this overthinking. Okay, आपको थोड़ा सा clarity के साथ सोचने की जरूरत है. थोड़ा सा हो सकता है आप overthinking की वजह से आप थोड़ा सा properly you won't be able to take rest, you won't be able to sleep properly, but you will have to be energetic and you have to be in that go getter and that fighting वाला energy में होने की जरूरत है, so that you are ready to take that next step whenever it is required. Okay, as I said, emotions को overpower होने नहीं देना है, emotions को ignore भी नहीं करना है, दोनों में balance create करते हुए आपको चीजों को handle करने की जरूरत है. That is also I am getting for you. Whatever the situation is, आपको ना प्रायोरिटाइज करना है चीज़ों को. यू मे बी इन दैट लूप के इस चीज़ को बाद में कर लेते हैं. मे बी फॉर एग्जाम्पल क्रिएटिंग अ बैलेंस बिटवीन योर वर्क लाइफ एंड पर्सनल लाइफ. सो यू आर लाइक दोनों इंपॉर्टेंट है अभी, व्हाट आई शुड गिव प्रेफरेंस टू. सो यू हैव टू learn to create balance. Okay, because you will be thinking I don't know how to create balance, there will be overthinking. Okay, so you need to learn to create balance. Prioritize करिए आप चीज़ों को, जो चीज़ important है उस टाइम पे उस चीज़ पे ध्यान दीजिए, and later on come to the next. All right, उस तरह का energy I am getting for you, Taurus. So just try to create balance. अगर आप proper strategy, proper planning के साथ में आगे बढ़ोगे, so you can avoid this energy of overthinking and sleepless nights. Okay, so just try to work on that, upgrade your skills, work on your communication, try to open up, and things will work out for your good. So the guiding message we have for you is the medicine guardian. It's like be open to healing information, right? Again, as I said, हो सकता है आप अपने emotions को आप you are guarded, okay, to being protective of yourself, protective of your emotions. All right, so you need to put your guards down so that you can heal, because this card also says that your heart chakra is blocked. Okay, this card also says that your throat chakra is blocked, your third eye chakra is blocked, your heart chakra is blocked. Okay, so you need to work on your healing. Okay, and that you can do by opening up. Okay, आप जितना communicate करोगे, जितना आप अपने emotions को release करोगे, आप जितना express करोगे, उतना आपको heal होने में help होगा. If you are not comfortable in sharing with other person or other people, you can just write it down and burn it off. Okay, जो भी है आपको, जो भी लग रहा है कि this is hurting me and I'm not able to express, just write it down, release whatever emotions are coming in your mind, whatever is causing you pain, just write it down and burn it off. If you don't want to keep it, you can burn it off. Okay, it will help you to feel light. All right, and that will also aid in your healing process. Okay, so that is the energy and messages I have for you, Taurus. If you have liked it, please do like this video, please claim the positive energy from this reading, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, I request you to please subscribe to my channel for daily tarot insights. Bye bye.